the rigor that it gives the students. It is a different way to approach teaching than what I guess most teachers are used to. A lot of teachers do a lot of direct teaching, which is telling students what to do and how to do it. And for a lot of students, that's not all that entertaining or all that engaging. Some students learn that way. Most students, I would say, they could benefit from something else, something different. So it's all about letting the students run wild with their creations. And with the Hexapod project, that's what the students had to do. But I definitely like that the students had that moment where they were frustrated, where they didn't want to do the work, which is not great, but it's still good because it shows them the frustration that comes through it. And once they got it, that's when you saw the look of relief on their face, like, oh, that's how it's done. Like, we went through so much to get it done, and finally, there it is. There's the finished final product. So I love seeing the growth they have, and I like this new approach at the teaching. Next about project, it guides your thinking. With the robotics competition, you have no guidance whatsoever, aside from your mentors. You're just given a project, and you're told, okay, solve this problem. With the Hexapod, you're told, this is the problem that we're addressing. Okay, here are some guidelines that we through it. We're not going to tell you exactly how to do it. You have to be able to look at the pictures to see how to build it. And so once the students put the hexapod together, once they look at how the hexapod works, looking at the hips, looking at the legs, the bone links, then they start to get an understanding of, oh, this is how mechanical pieces move. So once they come over to the I guess robotics side, they bring that knowledge with them. A useful tool, useful lesson that we can use to train our students, to get them familiar with the engineering process, the engineering design process, and to get them familiar with what it's like to be an actual engineer. To be an actual engineer, I have not been one because I have not been in the industry before, but I know that Josh and Dave have been in the industry, and their video testimonies helped out the students a little bit too. It gives them a sneak peek of what they're going to experience if they, go into that field of engineering.